Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the Racer Verano perforated short riding glove. Okay, the Racer Verano retails for $69.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos, so pricing changes on the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's talk about sizing. I wear a 2X in almost every glove out there. That's what I have on right now. I am getting a good, comfortable fit right out of the bag with the Verano. With that said, this glove does run just a touch to the roomy side. Okay, so if you're looking at the size chart and let's say you barely just make it into the large with your measurement, you'll probably be better served with a medium. If on the same size chart, if your measurement, right, or if you know that typically you buy a pair of large gloves and they need to break in a little bit for you, order the large. I think you're going to get a good, comfortable fit. Who are these gloves right for? These gloves are right for any street rider that wants a cowhide, right, a leather glove that is heavily perforated, offers a tremendous amount of comfort. We've got a knuckle protector underneath the perforated leather there, fully perforated chassis. All the fingers are perfed. In between each of the fingers, and I think this is where the sizing of this glove, right, is just a little bit different, is you have this stretch fabric in between all the fingers. That will also flow air freely, right? This glove is basically an air conditioner on your hands. Well, that stretch fabric, right, it moves with you. So when you slide your hand in here, the glove is able to expand much easier than it would if that was leather in between the fingers. And I think that's where the sizing difference comes from. Fully perforated panel there on the thumb. Some segmented perf here. There's an additional overlay in the area where you're going to have your hands on the bars. In the impact zone there on the palm, they have another layer, a little bit of foam behind it. Entry and exit is managed right here with this Velcro closure at the top. The glove comes just high enough that you do have a little coverage there for the end of the ulna, right? With this, I want you to think tons of comfort, tons of ventilation, a great all-around street glove. This is going to be right for somebody who wants to do some touring. Maybe you're on a Harley, maybe you're on a sport bike, and this is just the style of glove you want. It's another good quality piece from Racer. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.